years. His song is picking up Irish FM right now. Caesar Kalanji the planet. Lutan Fire the planet. While English have some boy, I don't know. Anyway, make some noise. Make some noise for Daddy English! Make some noise! What about English? Don't come. Make some noise for Daddy English! History. Look at number 6 track. Hear that you. Tell me your boss. Yeah. You know that. Anyway, I'm for the people in the house, so you ready for this? Girl, shake your body if you're ready for this. Just move that booty if you're ready for this. I'm for the people in the house, so you ready for this? Girl, shake your body if you're ready for this. Just move that booty if you're ready for this. Don't help me. You giving me at the party. You giving me shorty. We be rolling in the party. Party's going all night long. So meet me at the party. I'll man don't party. The girls are in the party. We're gonna party all night long. Cruising in the drop top, cruising in the Benzo. Leave me on the laptop, come to your friends. Maybe when the fun stop, I take you to the end. English me in the function in that friend. So girl be screaming at all excitement. Me and the only kicking on the girls resident. That's why me stand further with them. Splash! You can meet me at the party. You can bring a shorty. We be rolling in the party. Party's a level. Level. Yeah, you see after party. And liquor run up in the head. Anything goes. And if your man a give you one, and you want to give back some, check me tonight, but you want to come. See me kakachi a come sit down. You want to give me one of the new millennium, you're getting one. And you want to give your man some. Check me tonight, but you want to come. No run. See me kakachi a come sit down. You want to give me one of the new millennium. Check me little more when it does up and down. Take a taxi, don't walk. If I'm a eye shop, when the reach, baby, make a whistle, don't talk. Tell the taxi man a pop. The dog them a go back. Be careful, and the boy chat him out mouth and people talk that. Them stop the glad, and them see man make you want your man rat. Let me tell you something, girl, call if your man a give you one, and you want give back some. Check me tonight, but you want to come down. If you come back to your come sit down, you want to give me fun of it, you will let you get it fun. And you want to give your man some. Check me tonight, but you want, got that. Give me track 4, make me go ugly and done. Go ugly and done. Go ugly and done. Yeah. Hear me now? We have got ugly and done here. Pull up again. Ready, man. Pull up. You don't like English, no come around me. Etal man tongue go join the crowny. No like bad mind people around me. You want a girl in your life, you don't see you lonely. Silence fucker we want around me. Ever fresh, ever clean people around me. Some real time food we have spend them on tea. See them want free. First, if you know me, nobody real. Back page nobody takes interstate. If you say Rasta, nobody shame. If a Jesus to say, you try go get saved. You go for it, try save. You get the broken at the last stage. Use your condom, no catch AIDS. You know what, get a lick up on the thing that radiate. Use your grip. Pull up again. Pull up. You remember you start now? Yeah. You don't like English, no come around me. If you hear for your friend, go join your crony. Don't like bad mind people around me. You want a girl in your life, you don't see you lonely. Silence fucker we want around me. Ever fresh, ever clean people around me. Some real nice food we have spend them on tea. See them want free. First, if you not be it, nobody rape. Back page nobody takes interstate. If you say Rasta, nobody shame. If a Jesus to say, you try go get saved. You go for it, try save. You get the broken at the last stage. Use your condom, no catch AIDS. You know what, get a lick for the thing that radiate. You say crep, me say claps, me say driving, you say walk. You too bad mind, cleanse your heart. You know what, me say get you to climb up the chart. Me say real, but we no give. Yeah, brother. Hey, don't know it going on. We say ugly around the neck, man. I want to say ugly is a joke, man. With a pretty boy face, that's some boy use them face, the wrong place. So we say ugly, girl of warfare. When them see them know say, all man down, a girl man down, again. If you know me, nobody rape. Back page, nobody takes center stage. If you say Rasta, nobody shave it for Jesus to say, you try go get saved. You go for it, try save. You get the provoking at the last stage. Use your condom, no catch AIDS. You know what, get a lick up on the thing now rock it. You say crib, me say claps, me say driving. You say walk, you're too bad mind. Cleanse your heart, you know what. Me say get a youth to climb up the chart. Me say we young, but we no give. We the good body girl, them will lay. From your street, say one way which man they come from a crazy gun play. The life we live in it rough. Every day seems the things to get tough. Me tired of them tears, tired of them man come. All who play for us is a piece of the God. Me say the life we live in it rough. Every day seems the things to get tough. Me tired of them tears, tired of them man come. All who play for us is a piece of the God. Listen, me no bug, me no not, me no do certain things, me no bad. Me have to do things that pleasing to God. Me don't know why some boy got on fag. Me no goat, me no hog, me no cow, me no frog, me no fish, me no crab. I be a fat sexy girl, me have in a me lab. Watch your friends, where you keep. Watch your place, where you eat. Go look your own, no love sweet. No make no girl take your face, put it in a seat. See I'm blind, you're on the...
Come on, my stage, better. Yo, that is, you're not getting nothing more, Rasta. How are you doing? You're not getting nothing more because that's what. I'm not talking people, we don't know enough. They're not, man, I hear nothing, you know. Jambo, let me hear the people say, Danny English. That's a fanky English. May the people say, Danny English. English, you can hear man throwing a ball out there, we're on the forward. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Danny English!
Easy for the school. You don't really my pocket, brother. I don't know enough. Big up Mr. Lim and the futuristic one. Giant. Mr. Sam can't sing already. Mr. Sam can't remember now which one I'm going to choose, but they don't know it in their blood. He was trying to get for down too. I said, go. I'm going to get back to this thing. Listen. Me no bow. Me no nod. Me no do certain things, me no mad. Me have to do things that pleasing to God. Me no know why some boy got on fag. Me no goat, me no hog, me no cow, me no frog, me no fish, me no crab. I be a fat sexy girl, me up in a me lab. Watch your friends, where you keep. Watch your place, where you eat. Go look your own, no love sweet. No make no girl take your face, put it in a seat. See I'm blind, here and deaf. From you are informer, you are feel left. You do it one time, me no forget. And the same thing you do make a tell get. The life I'm living it wrong. Again. Hear me now, again. Listen me now. I just see you don't know, just a group and a cruise, you know? Pick up the bar 6 stone and hear me now. See what kind of class is different. Our head at grabber, at everything but cool liquor. I'm going to tell you when the party all do it. But you listen when me a sit, mow it, any. Now beg me, you not get any. You have the money in your pocket, spend it. I'm going like a union, Jenny. Oh, you know see how many girls say my penny. I know one girl, I'm many. Anyway, what I got again? Listen, man. Listen. Again. See wait. Hear me now. All things possible. Try and put your head to it. Try and think about it is possible. So you just have to just move to it. You know why? They call the mission impossible. Cause why? I'm unstoppable. Screechy in the house, you man look catchable, snatchable. No about the back because it's trackable. You see the man with the gun, it look shattable, untouchable. Tell some fool, me not rushable. But them for this moment, them know them bones crushable. Them decorated look flushable. Me bounce the woman and make all this so green, so smokeable. And this are lyrics are not jokeable. From a boy, I'm at him and him neck brokeable. And him eye, him neck chokeable. Two big girls to live the love with me and my cool sport.
Yeah,
And we're going to follow, so I say, our people in our place in Jamaica. Let us go together. Listen me now. One more out of the gun them say. Guy done said stay ugly. That me telling you. Everything ugly. Nothing pretty about it. You know pretty boy fly, the flow that. We never change man. You know why? Again. They call me Mission Impossible. Cause why? I'm unstoppable. Street chicken in your house, so man look catchable, snatchable. The mountain man because it's trackable. You see the man with the gun that look shottable, untouchable. Tell some fool me not rushable. All them finish me when they know them bones flushable. Flushable, them make me look flushable. The bounce a woman and make on this one business so smokable. And this are the lyrics and the jokeable. From a boy about him and him neck brokeable. And him eye, him neck chokeable. Two me girls have him no lovable. Me and my crew sportable. We smoke weed, we don't cokeable. Me no bleach, me no teeth, me get no trouble. So that a fool, me no floatable. And this a boy no remotable. I'm invincible, so tell the White House some principle. Why you finish me when me guns them rinsable. Rinsable, you little man they look invincible. I'm in my mix, so I'm makeable. Listen, the girls them pick on me, never yet sick on me. Now we turn me friend them on me, turn the pan the stick for me. Never yet free for me, always a stick for me. Preach you let them up and in the box and come link on me. Girls them a change for me, want update to me. Stand cause I know the levels I'm a slippery. Girls submit to me, all the skin of it for me. Tell the one is a holding, exit for me. Birds and girls holiday, cutie and holiday. And no man up holiday, sing a J. Holiday, can I hear my lady say, hip hip hippery. This is what I have to say. Sunday or Sunday, Monday or Brandy, Tuesday or Angie, Wednesday or Wendy, Thursday for tiny, Friday for Friday, man Saturday big mappy, get them windy. Every guy on the body rip on them. Again, listen me now. I'll tell you something. Hear me now, mama. Their face look cute. May I tell you about my face? Girl, I want face. See? May I tell you about that pants, yeah? May I tell you about that clothes, yeah? Listen me now. You see that face, yeah? Only make for eyeglass. It not make for no girl come sit down and fall. You man, you want to hear the girls and bar.
It's done enough. I'm not telling it's done. But I basically don't want to big son, bad man, it's done. But you can't get no more English. I'm telling you, this is a face here. No girl can't sit down and fart. Hold on there. You don't want more English? No. You don't want more English? You don't want more English? I want to Reggae City promotion.
Yeah, again. You don't know we never change in our money clothes and girl alone we change. And one way we know and one way we grow. Ashes to ashes and them dreams to the levels. But show the kids them there, we can't go too explicit. But we have to teach them the right. Listen, you see that face there, only make for eyeglass. It don't make for no girl come sit down and fall. You man, you want to hear the case them back. From all man to say to Walter Park. Yeah, you see that panther. You want bullet, and the boy trying to get bumbo clad bullet. You see that singer, all that bullet, you won't never. Yeah, and that Jano. You hear me? It's like we got a rhythm there. Because poor people play to that garrison with the ghetto with it. They call it inner city. Yeah, I'm being struggling people there, so until we reach the but it's right now. Life is a struggle out there. Life is a struggle out there. Them don't know the kind of pressure what we bear. Life is a struggle out there. Well, I know about the ins, the outs, the do's, the don'ts. Who have my back, who will, who won't. They have for bread, the quarter dozen egg, the chicken back and dumpling. Before me go me bed, me know the club, the cops, the maps, the gloves, the shop. Now then we run, the block, the home made shot, gun round the back. People was fully me have a dumb gunshot, but the good that I can tell, me know them very well. And this a boy no passion, get no girl, them at no hell. Me stand see out as we hit with a little style of hell. Kids and Jamaica enough more left to tell, so life is what you make it so good and take it, be nice and try to fake it and just be the glorious, be the victorious. Okay, bad man try to take it, but we know they can fake it. All my soul be glorious. All the seas just war and crime. Forget my mind, try stop my shine. I clap my nine to protect what mine is best. What mine? I don't try to kill me and end up dead. What a kind of beg the Lord to protect me. Them people try to set me, police and embarrass me, but them never catch me. I guess I'm on the run now. Where we're gonna go now? Got to change my face in the street to make it know now. Life is a struggle out there. Life is a struggle out there. Then you know the kind of pressure we bear. We sing it wicked word. Now if you do a cappella, you know, serious man, God Almighty, you not even know what's coming at you. Listen me. Girl, if your man have you about me, girl, you feel about him back. But they make you feel low, but him hot. Don't stop about him until him want fight him. Go over man, girl, turn him back. But if you give me this something, me put a son in that. Me don't know white teeth and tongue in that. Me don't see rice and peas nor rum in that. Me could... What is that for Daddy English?
Alman Town, let me tell you something. Daddy English, I'm his son. I mean, now make him come to Alman Town, right? And clown on out, brethren. Because I'm of the biggest tune for Ira FM. I'm going to draw that tune up in a segment. So Alman Town, all have to hear it. Because the universe, I hear it. You hear me I say? Make some noise for Mr. Daddy English. Grab it! Daddy English! Come get up the mid-tune. We'll mix up the earwaves all over the universe. Grab him out of my town. Put it. Culture K. Daddy P. Come on. Yo, you ready? Sound the big thing there. Sound the big thing there.
Hey, give me the final check on that. You don't know, so hear me now. This are the summer song, you know, people. You don't know one more gear enough for the ears to the levels. And that's how we start jump it down to make them know. And the best Alman Town. Let me tell you something. One more party song for me party fan. Every party girl, every party man. Welcome to Jamaica, the party land. Hey, we know what's what pocket down with them. I spend we own money, own money. We party non-stop 24/7 with we own money, own money. From birth we get shell, yeah, that we are shell with we own money, own money. Me like me don't pay plus mortgage pay with me own money, own. Anyway the party there, we turn up. Liquor in a cup and nerves are burn up. From Mr. P, they know a girl's rush. The girls are rush me and boy are turned up. The girl them sexy, firm up and flop. Everywhere we got them want to come touch. Tell some boy to try to size up because they rise up and hold this burn up. Me know what's for pocket down where them a spend. We spend the own money, own money. We party non-stop 24/7 with me own money, own money. From our black shell, yeah, that we are shell with me own money, own money. Me like me don't pay plus mortgage pay with me own money, own. Them ask what's happening. I keep my girls them shopping in. I keep them sporting and champagne popping in, popping in. We have the city crack-a-lacking in. And some who speaking Latin in them ask what's happening. I'm rich till I'm rotten in. I'm a phony and girls them keep tapping in, tapping in. The sexy one I'll be mapping in. I'm the real book popping in. One more party song for me party fan. Every party girl, every party man. Welcome to Alman to the party land. Hey. We know what's what pocket down where them a spend. We spend the own money, own money. I am Alman town, God bless them. The levels are enough for every woman and every guy, man.
Yes, Mr. Daddy English, a big round of applause, Alman Town. I tell you, for an artist that has been traveling for the last 15 hours and just got home, he still pack a lot of energy. Daddy Mix, he pack a lot of energy. Daddy Mix, he pack a lot of energy. Clap him, man. Alman Town, show up. Flash, you don't know you're my friend for life. Bun instigator. Ras Ocean, you don't know what the thing is. Then the English came and he saw and he conquered. Marine Gutsmore. Yeah, big up is large than life. Saying, right about now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to tone it down. We're going to bring an artist that you've been accustomed to seeing, but tonight's stage is different. Tonight's stage is the Honorable Marcus Garvey stage. Because anytime Big Stone turn up on any stage, it's got to be Marcus Garvey stage. Alright? So see the people's movement, Marcus Garvey people movement, and that's what I want to put on the thing. But I'm telling you as a time progresses, and then I get to hear Big Stone and telling you the real truth. See? Right about now, Alman John, I'm going to bring you your own. Ras Ocean, I appreciate the fact that you took your time out. You could have been elsewhere at a conference. Big him up, give him a big round of applause in the crowd, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah man, freedom fighter, people's fighter, Rastafari ganja fighter. Got the ganja for free, you know that too. See, right about now, remember Django. Django, only you worthy to fill them shoes of Rasta. Because we don't say I come through the struggles. Then the English and the son, and you are my son. Get on the spirituality. Rastafari. Clap him, ladies and gentlemen. Almanto. Wilder.
Yeah. Bless up. Why you so? Hold on. You saw the thing, they get like I saw it grow now. That's when you get an international artist on the show. Just wait now. All bunny ways are going to come here say, you know. Bounty killer have to come here say, you know. Beanie man have to come here say, you know. Ninja man have to come here say, you know. Say, Baby Sham have to come here say, you know. So, we have Latin store more. See? Yeah man, that's how we like it man, the thing. Big up English. Yes yo. So last year I know. Well run it now. But you don't know. Yeah. Me not trim for me dreadlocks, you know. No. Oh me, no say me not trim, if you please anybody. Oh no. Yes to say me not trim, if you go to Miami. Oh me, no me say me not trim, if you please anybody. Oh me, no me say me not trim, if you go to Miami. Them trim, and them trim. Them look like bad plate, them look like pigeon. Them trim. I know them no gonna foreign, them trim. And them trim. They look like bad plate, them look like pigeon. Them trim. I know them no gonna foreign. You say me, Delilah, can't trick me. Both if you trim and she will marry me. 30 years me a can't be not here, so me ugly, but me not here, me duty. Yes, Mr. Hey! Yeah, man. So last year I know. Me I tell you, me hug me no, but me not here, my beauty, me not trim, my not here at all. So last year I know. Well, run it now. Got little kids them there, you know, so I have to do for them one job. Say, yeah, I'm a culture. Say, you know, take care of the children anywhere you go. You today and the man tomorrow. It take a community to grow a child. Don't show him love that child. Take care of the children anywhere you go. You today and the man tomorrow. It take a community to love a child. Don't show him love that child. We have to save our child. Soon we have to save our child. We have to save our child from those vicious reptile races. We have to save our child. We have to save our child. Better you save the child. Me say to save the youth out of 3 mile. Me say school, and that's enough to do. I cause the teacher respect you. And you way from school, walk in a crew. I can't no make no man for you, so We have to save our child. Better we save our child. Better we save our child. From those vicious reptiles, we tell you say, we have to save our child. We say to save the youth out of 3 mile. We say to save the youth out of making spoil. Rastafari, we know all the while. We say that yes, I miss a Django, you know how it go. I just tell them you want to start with this show. A D and a J and a NGO. And anyway me go them up and say Django. I will leave a lyrics to me head just a flow. Yes, another one play tango. Sing with that they wanna play the other one, you know. Well, well right now, big up there. You believe I hurt you yet? You believe I hurt you yet? Alright, me I tell you say, play number 3 there. Play number 3. Yeah, me I tell you. Yeah. I. Yo. Oh, pull up it. Boy, me I tell you say right now, me have a running belly the other day, Rasta. I'm a virgin Barry give me some overnight coconut juice. Boy, me I tell you say, run my belly. See? Yeah. This morning me get up. I and I say me have to wake up. Rastafari. Why did they hold on there. Why me I tell you say, Barry, are we in there? Are we Barry there? Why Barry don't they have blows now? See? Jono, yesterday me. I tell you. Run it there. Well, large of the people out there, you know. But you don't know how the thing go. See? Rastafari right now. Yeah. You know, star. You know. Somebody listen up. This morning when we get up, still say, oh, they do, I do not see no in a makeup. Bra-na-na-na. Although me have one orange, the banana no ripe good, it will run your gut. Bra-na-na-na-na-na-na. You know much time I just food, they on me mind. Yeah, not even a grapefruit or piece of pine. Enough night hungry, me go on me bed. In a me deep sleep, that's lying on me head. Yeah, no time in a me sleep, me ball out. The people take say a evil spirit to hold me down. Bra-na-na-na-na-na-na. But a the girl named Hungry. Everywhere me go, she a hold me down. Bra-na-na-na-na-na-na. You know much time hungry, twist me tripe. Yeah, it's a lucky thing the mango tree did a ripe. Yeah, you should have seen me in a tree with a flashlight. Yeah, mango give me, flux it complain and Mali gripe. Yeah, right now me want to use the toilet it boom and it mark out of use. Remember pan empty stomach. Me brethren Barry give me Callaloo overnight coconut juice.